All right, wait a minute. Wait for that to go live, and then I connect everything. All right, that's live. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good shit. All right, and connect to you. Good shit. Bonk. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Brain not working correctly. Brain on fritz. Hi, Sir Gelatin Skeleton. All right, hold on. It's time to test Arenos. I got this working last night with the direct video ID, so no, please, please, please. Wait, oh shit, hold on, that overlay's not even getting it. What's going on? Hello? Oh, there it is. Oh, right, because they're exclamation mark commands. Fuckity. Hi, zombie. Hi, Minnie. Oh shit, that's a big one. So go to an active channel. Get him. Get him. That's a big one to miss out on. Get him. Sounds good, Minnie. Sounds good. All right. All right. Backup strat. Backup strat. All right, hold on. Let's try something. All right. Maybe I didn't wait long enough. All right. Trying something. Restarting this. There they are. I just didn't wait long enough. All right, now it's working.
Everybody do the flop.
Yep. All right, so to explain some stuff, all right, I'll explain the programming stuff here in a second. First things first, if you haven't, go check out
do the flop.
This prestige bundle. Check this out right now. You can see all my programming shit. Go check out this bundle. There's a lot of really cool games in here. Yeah, just some very like highly rated games. There's probably something in here for everybody. So it's like 15 for 2 games. Normally these games are, you know, like 20 bucks and so. Speaking of which, Backpack Hero, if that type of gameplay applies to you, is a fantastic game. Fucking phenomenal. Can recommend. Over here, look, cheapest has ever gone, 14 bucks. You can get it right now, $7.50. Fan-fucking-tastic game. Yeah. I got 60 hours into it. There's more I can plug into it too. Like that's just, it was like, it was like the demo and then, or a little bit of early access and then like the main story. So that's how much gameplay I got out of it. Just from that. It's crazy. Freaking, yeah. 400 or 500. Yeah. You can like, you can go crazy on that game like that. There's so much to it. It's great. Those characters, each of the characters plays vastly different. It's a great, fantastic fucking game. Oh, so good. So like, yeah, like that's the place to get it. That's the chance to get it right freaking there. And then there's like a bajillion other things. You want your like old Star Wars classics? That's right, $7.50 for a $100 bundle. I mean, they've definitely gone on sale for cheaper than that, but like it comes with I don't know how many games in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Jesus Christ. Alright, 14 games in the Star Wars collection, including. Was that Battlefront? Not the new one, but I think it's the old. Yeah, it's the old one. Yeah. The good one. Yeah, there's something in there. There's something in there for like friggin' everybody. The good one. Freaking, oh my gosh, there's so much. I would spend so much more on this, but like I would have slammed down on this bundle if I hadn't just spent like 100 and some odd bucks on freaking Steam Deck. Stream Deck, not Steam Deck. I just spent a lot of money, so I've been eyeballing stuff very heavily, but I haven't committed anything yet here. Alright, so the things I need to do, I need a retry command for YouTube. That's what I need. I need to get a do-over command until it like successfully connects. Because that was the problem, that's what happened there. I did it too early, so like the data for the Twitch stream hadn't actually gotten sent out yet. Which is why I have to wait so long for this one to pop up. Because even this chat takes a bit. Alright, so that covers the bundle. Did I link that on YouTube? Bad Grassy. Link that over there too. Alright. I don't know if anybody will see it, but by George, I hope they do. So that covers that. The programming side of things. Here's what we're working with. Here's the ugly back end of YouTube. Dude, I feel so stupid. I feel big dumb. So like I found out that there's like a JSON converter, and then I tried it and I was like, oh hell yeah. So there's like a built-in JSON thingy in Unity finally. But I couldn't for the life of me get it to work. Correction, I couldn't get it to work with arrays. Can I show you guys a little bit of like, hold on. I don't know if this will break stream. I'm gonna test it, but I don't know if it's gonna break stream or not. Are we good?
Everybody do the flop.
Yeah, it's gonna do that. Yo. So the first time that it connects, it gathers all of this. I need to fix that. It gathers all the commands from like that were inputted. I need to fix that. It's okay to display that, but maybe we don't play all of these sounds and VFX that have been put into the chat and like the entirety of the stream at the same time. So for YouTube gives you a URL. You input some why not? I think it's like up to 2,000 messages max, I believe is like the cap. So I mean like 2,000 of a sound playing at the same time might not be healthy. So YouTube sends like a little URL, and then you access that URL, and then it gives you like a next page token, and that next page token tells you all the messages that happen between the last ping and whenever you access this web page. It has a minimum like this is when this page will update on there, and it's in milliseconds, so it's like this page updates every 2 seconds. So the YouTube chat is like that's why the YouTube chat is like the way that it is because there's a like set interval that it updates at, and that's like every 2 seconds. Whereas like Twitch, whenever you connect to it, it's like a TCP connection, and it's like, okay, so whenever a message comes in, it pings you and it goes, hey, there's a message. Like, hey, there's a message here. And then like you get that message and it's way faster, more fluent. But YouTube's just kind of like, I'm gonna give you every 2 seconds, I'm gonna let you see chat. And that's what this is. This right here is our update. I added 0.2 milliseconds to it, so it's actually like 1.8 is like the native one. It looks like 1.8 to like 2 seconds, but I added 0.2 to it just in case, to like a little buffer, because I figure if I pinged it the exact second that it said it was ready, it'd probably mess up. Wake up your CPU with a bang. Alright, I can show all this stuff. And there's no APIs or anything, it's all just... Yeah, so this is how it works. So you access their API through like the URL, and then you input like all the information that you want. So like we can back to back like bam, 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 like do these. So we go here, we get the channel ID. The channel ID gives us the video ID. The video ID gives us the live stream chat ID. So we have to go through like 3 URLs in order to get like what we're actually looking for. Because the channel lets you know that there's a video. The video lets you know that there's live stream chat. So like the chat is a separate entity from the actual video itself. So you have to do another ping there. And then with the live stream chat ID, we can actually finally start accessing the chat itself. And that's what we're dealing with. So down here we have the polling interval millis, and that's the milliseconds between, hold on. All right, good, that opened up on that page. That's the milliseconds between updates. All right, let's hide the API key. There we go. All right. All right, this is the JSON that it returns whenever we start pinging for messages. So we have the E tag, which I guess is just the unique identifier for whatever this is. Whatever the thingy is. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure what E tag's supposed to mean. But the polling interval is, this is the next time that YouTube wants you to ping it, because that's the next time it's actually going to update the chat. And then the next page token is the messages between the last time that you pinged it and this link. So it grabs all those and then puts it into the document, or into like the JSON that you get. And all this is just public information. We don't gotta worry about any of that. It has like a surprisingly in-depth amount of crap here. Like the time that the message was sent. Hi, Alex. It even has like people's profile images in here. Links to their profile images, whether they're a modifier or a mod or mods. I don't know what a sponsor is supposed to be. I don't know what that means. Oh, that's like, okay, no, never mind. I think that's like kind of like a sub. It's like YouTube subs. Owner verified, all that shit. Yeah, that's what we're working with. That's what we're dealing with on the back end. It's okay, we're heading over there. Owen planned, like, this was the end of that. That was all technical stuff. But it was kind of a pain in the butt. I do have one question, if anybody could answer that. If anybody could help me out here. So we did a whole shenanigans up here. Yeah, right here. Alright, so this attempts to turn the JSON that we get from YouTube into a thingy, but we're running into a problem right here. So items is like every chat message shoved into this array, but I cannot for the life of me access this array. It tells me that it's a null object whenever I try and access anything from it. And I figured... Where you at? I know you're around here somewhere.
Hi-oh.
Oh, here was. Alright, so it'd be YouTube message dot items 0 dot snippet? Oh right, I changed the name of it. What we changed the name of it to? I don't think we created the object, that'd be why.
A wild
Hello.
Oric Oreo, pal, appears.
Oh, that looks rare. Alright, there we go. Alright, so YouTube message dot items, and then since it's an array, we have to specify like what area in the array that we're trying to access, and then something like snippet dot display message. Now, if we type that,
Use a list.
it acts like that works. But it yells at me right whenever we get to here. It yells at me that this is null. Every single time. Now, I do know that it's actually working. Oh, right, yeah. I know it's working because whenever we look up kind, this actually returns data. But it's something about this right here, it goes to shit. Is it null or is it...
Did you add anything to the array for that specific item?
It should have stuffed all of the items into it. So up here, we have item, and each of this has like more data inside of it, and the JSON converter should have shoved all of the items into the item category.
Yeah, that's a thing, but where is the point that is actually setting things to that?
Hold on, give me a sec. Gotta go find it again. There it is. Alright. Alright, right here. This thingy right here, the JSON utility. From JSON, and then it detects the root object, and it's supposed to shove all that inside there.
Grassy, show the friggin' data.
Okay, alright, hold on. Give me a sec, I gotta be careful. There are like API keys and stuff in here. Okay, I thought this was gonna be fast. It was gonna be fast till I brought this up. Alright. This right here. This is the data. This is the data right here. So kind actually returns YouTube hashtag live chat message response. This right here. YouTube message dot kind. That actually does return that. But as soon as we start going to items right here, which is where all of our chat messages are, it tells me that's null. It tells me that's null. No matter if I tell it dot items or if I tell it dot items 0. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I can do that. Give me a sec. Alright. Shove that over there. Alright. We're doing, we'll leave kind there because it actually works. Like you can see like what works, what doesn't. Okay. All right. So we go over here. All right, everybody get ready. It's gonna blast our ears out.
Everybody do the flop.
Yeah, here's what it. Oh God. Alright, so here's the .kind request, and the .kind request actually returns the data. This is what it returns if you request the object. It just tells you that, hey, that's root object with like no data. Like, it knows, it just isn't printing out all the data. And this is what it looks like before it becomes an object. Like this is actually like the format that it looks like before. I can print what it looks like and it would print this as an example. Can I call a toString on the object? That's a good question. Actually, yeah, let's do that. That's a good question. All right, so this dot toString. Yeah, it looks like we can. That might do it. That would help immensely.
Everybody do the flop.
Nope, same thing. Really. Really. Thought of that. I thought that would work. Oh, if we try the dot items, yeah, I can show you. It's just gonna yell at us that it's null. Oh yeah, I tried that here, yeah. That was one of the things that I gave it a shot. He also yells at us that I can't do this because it's null, can't do this because it's null. Alright, we'll try, Okay, don't call toString, just print the items. Okay, like...
Not to string. Okay, not this. Got you. Okay, I understand. I understand. Okay, so we know toString doesn't work. Alright, hold on. I'm going to change categories. We're going to be here for a second. Program for a sec. Just chatting. Programming. Okay, I don't know the programming category. Just chatting. Just yapping. Alright. Yeah, we'll get to know it here in a sec. This is important to me. I wanted to know why this didn't work, and I felt dumb because I couldn't get it to work. Because I'm like, this should be working. I feel like...
Everybody do
do
the
that every
flop.
time. Yeah, okay, no, we get a null and a null reference. These are the two that we get. Feel a little bad for the people who came here expecting an order. They can yell at me in a minute. Hi, Loud PC. We'll get to Noida here in a minute. It was a programming issue. I'm figuring it out. Okay, so items returns null.
Now he is just inflicting his pain on his chat, instead of us feasting on his pain.
And this
I
returns
am on to you, streamer. Now
null
he is
reference
just
exception.
inflicting his pain on his chat, instead of us feasting on his pain. I am on to you, streamer.
Hold on, let me read more. Like, increase the size of the console. Let me read that shit. It's just... a bunch of the data beforehand. It's all that's just like other debug data that I have. Like whenever I connect, it's like, okay, we're implementing trap. Make sure you got all that. Yeah, it's just other stuff. It's connection stuff. This is as far down as we can get on this. This is as far down as we can get on this. This is as far down as we can get on this. It's just basically like a line error. Hey, Quadratic. I come here for the fails, so this semi counts? Grassy does do this sometimes, I'm sorry. Noida! Hi, Lexi! Yeah, I can't change the YouTube category. I can't do that. I don't know how that works. Like, it works for a game, but I don't think there's like a just chatting on YouTube. Yeah, root object, all that. Okay. And I made them red to like, it could just be like a regular thingy over here. I made them red on purpose to like separate them, make it easier to find. Can you dump me a message JSON? I can't get to that data. That's what I'm trying to figure out. This is the best example of I have of a message JSON right here. I can send you that. Yeah, give me a sec. I think I get that in Discord. All right, let me get you the smaller version. How do you do code? Is it like triple tilde? That code bracket? Code block? Yeah, okay, it's triple tilde. All right, there you go. Now, logically, to me, I should be able to access that this way. And then I can't access it this way either. So I have to be either messing something up or the JSON utility isn't working correctly with arrays. That could also be a thing. Which is why I gave up and started manually decoding it. I gave up and then I'm like, fuck it, I'll just do it myself. No, it works great. It works great for this shit. Or not this shit. This right here, if you only have like one layer deep, you're not worried about... Okay, that's like the whole point of JSON, is to be able to access like stuff like this. I don't know. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm stumped. Can I dump the result before the JSON utility? What I just did is basically what it's gonna spit out. Yeah, I linked that in Discord. That's essentially what you're gonna see. Now, items will contain more than one item. There will be a comma, and then another set. I can give you that, but it's much longer. I don't even know if I can post it in Discord because it'll be that much longer. I could try, but it might be too many characters. Does that work? Message.txt. Man. Where does the JSON utility come from? Oh, it was built in. This is built into either this is either Visual Studio. What version are we on? (2019), because this is a version that links up to Unity, so we have to be on 2019. So that's 2019. And I believe it's there. It's either that or it's Unity that's adding it. One of those two is adding this. Unity Engine. It's Unity Engines.
A wild carbink appears. A wild carbink appears.
What the? What? Why did I play twice? Oh, duh. I was like, huh? Alright. Well, that's the part of the puzzle I got. If anybody has any ideas, I can try them out later. But for now, note of time, because that was bugging me last night. I eventually just gave up and went directly to it because I was like, but if I could get that working, that would be kind of cool because we can access way more variables with way less work. This is C#. Unity uses C#, so we're using C#. ArcGIS allows C#? That's one of the languages he uses. So this right here, this is all C# shenanigans. So if I had to guess, it's probably something to do with JSON utility. I gotta figure it out from there. I know a lot of people recommend implementing Newton as your JSON parser though. Anytime I see it brought up, but I couldn't get it to work. I failed at that. Okay, alright. This reminds me of the Russian guy teaching us how to code. I'm just bad at it though. Alright, no other time. Alright, sorry everyone. That was bugging me. I was dealing with that like way later. I think it was like I was up 4 hours later than I usually am, just like trying to get that working. But the good news is YouTube now has access to all the fun toys because of that work. So yeah, but I said we have access to all that. So let me get you a link. Let me go hunt down the link. Alright, so YouTube, if you would like to use this stuff, there's our soundboard. And here's our VFX. And then both of those should have an explanation on how they work inside of them. All right. Don't close the YouTube. No, open the YouTube back up. That'll be important for replays. There we go. Yeah, don't close that. Alright, pause it so that's not using it. Yep, okay, alright, yeah, we're good. Time to go die. Time to go die. Gonna go die. And no, dude, we're getting that clear today. It's happening. I'm forcing it.